The Jewish Gett is a very, very common issue, but mostly in marriages where parties are a little bit more observant or orthodox. Because in a Jewish family that's observant, it's not enough to get a civil divorce decree and a no-fault divorce. The parties are still married. They're married before God, even in the event they get a civil divorce decree. Even if they never live together, even if it's an uncontested divorce with no children, the religious community looks upon the woman as still married, and she cannot be released from her husband until she gets a get. And you'll notice there's two different spellings for get. And the get is a writ. It's a written document for a religious divorce. The get ceremony requires both parties to appear before a tribunal of rabbis. It's very quick, doesn't take a lot of time, but it is a necessary step to end the marriage from a religious standpoint. And just so you know, it's in the Bible, it's in the Old Testament, in Deuteronomy 24, 1-3, and it comprises an entire book of the Talmud. So it is a very, very strong imperative for Jewish couples, especially Jewish women. It's not something that they're willing to overlook. And the problem for Jewish women is that sometimes the husband will not agree to do the ceremony. He won't agree to do it until he believes the marriage is truly over. He won't agree to do it because his rabbi hasn't given approval, or just as a matter of hard bargaining. He doesn't want to agree because he wants the other issues, financial issues, custody issues, to be resolved first. Bottom line, the get is a necessary aspect of every civil divorce because it's actually referenced in the divorce documents, and I won't go into that now, but it is a part of the proceedings, and there are ways to enforce it in the event one party doesn't comply.